Crafties, April here from Lilac Peaches Handmade, and today we are going to put together this cute little boho set. It's perfect to use for a wedding or bridal shower. As always, I'm going to go ahead and start off by gluing all of my single elements together to try to minimize the loss of any pieces on my desk. I'm using Barely Arts glue with 12 by 12 pearlescent cardstock Nina Star Dream in Citron and Antique Gold. You know I had to bring out my strip foamies, which are thin enough to use when layering text to give it that 3D popped out effect. You can also layer your pieces directly on top of each other with the foamies to give it more sturdiness. Moving on to our paper palm leaf fans, you're going to go ahead and fold your pieces back and forth on the score lines. I like to use a bone folder to really press them down and make sure the creases are nice and in there. Hot glue your acrylic stick or your bamboo stick, whichever stick you choose. Pinch together at the base, apply a little hot glue on the side, and wrap some twine or ribbon around it. Keep wrapping until you conceal all the hot glue. Now we get to the fun part, my favorite part, the little tray. I am using 12 by 12 pearlescent cardstock Serial Pearl in Fusion Bronze, and it is beautiful. All you need for this one is the SVG file, your Cricut, and a bone folder because there is no gluing absolutely necessary. Once you're done folding all your pieces inward, you have a beautiful decorative tray that you can use. Happy crafting!